C3 to check out here at Unique Specialty and Classics. This one's a 1976 Chevrolet Corvette. 350 numbers matching original V8 underneath the hood. That's paired up with the original numbers matching automatic transmission, turbo hydromatic, 350 to be exact. Nicely equipped with power steering, power brakes, AC. AC does blow cold, has been converted to the 134A. Now, as far as paint on this car, it is starting to show its age some. Up on the top of the fenders here, you can kind of see some pimpling going on, and it is that way through the hood. Down in the nose cone, we do have some blemishes. Now, as far as the paint, it still has a nice shine to it, as you can see. It just shows imperfections and is showing its age some. Check out the still pictures. You're going to be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay. And those still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. And of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Give you a good shot at the top of the front of the car there. A color you don't see every day, though. Paint code's 37, so it's mahogany metallic. Interior's dark firethorn, so a cool color combination. Riding on radial tires. Those are date coded 2022, so those are in good shape. Slotted wheels with the beauty rings and center caps. Classic look on these Corvettes. Let's take a look down the passenger side. And again, you can see the paint has a decent shine to it, but there are spots where you've got some chipping or showing the age some. There's a look at that interior and firethorn. Center console, automatic transmission, of course, shifter in the console. Is an aftermarket stereo, AM, FM cassette stereo. I've had the cassette working, but not the radio, so you're aware of that. Do have some checking on this rear bumper. And again, some of that pimpling kind of throughout the top of the car. You'll be able to see the T-tops out of the car in the still pictures. It'll actually be pictured both ways. There's also some miscellaneous parts, filters that will go along with this, and that'll be in the still pictures too. You can check those out. And once again, those still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you like Corvettes, no matter what year, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. And that can be done online right off our showroom floor. A couple notes from the technician that looked at this one. Brake straight. Brakes are 85% in the front, 90% in the rear. And it does have new front brake hoses. If you stick around to the end of this video, Jason's going to take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. It's one of those cars, drive it the way it is, or maybe you want to take it to the next level and do a repaint on it. That would be fine also. Interior, not too bad a shape. We do have some wear where that piping is on the bolster on the driver's side seat. Where's tilt column? This is also going to have the, yes, telescopic steering column also. Let's go ahead and fire it up. Again, numbers matching 350 and numbers matching trans. Odometer reads 08 431, so that could be 108 431. Top of the dash looks good. I noticed that light, that's a driver's door ajar light. It seemed to stay on. You'll have to see it when Jason's driving if he mentions that. And again, AC, and AC blows cold. Another thing I always like to check on these, headlights looking good. We'll check out underneath that hood in a second too. Give you an idea how it sounds. Nothing too crazy or over the top as far as exhaust. Nice little rumble coming out of that V8. And speaking of which, there it is. It's a hood liner. That number's matching. 350. Don't remember if I said the AC's been converted, but it's the 134A. Power steering, power brakes. Looks like high beams work also. Looking for a C3? There you go, 1976 Chevrolet Corvette. Number to call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. And yes, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt, gas it. Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 1976 Chevrolet Corvette in a very 70s kind of a chocolate brown color. I've got T-tops over my head that are removable, of course. This is an automatic on the center console, so it's easy for anybody to drive. As you can see, it is winter in Minnesota, but we do wash our vehicles well, so we can do these driving videos for you. Nice throttle response, very good acceleration as you'd expect from a Corvette. Blower motor works. I'm throwing a little heat today on a cool day in Minnesota. Now you see a door ajar light up there. There is no door ajar, but the light is lit. Stereo works if you play cassettes. Our fuel gauge shows a little over half a tank. Temperature gauge a quarter of the way up the gauge. We are clock equipped, though I don't see it counting the seconds. Oil pressure is about 40 psi, and the battery's charging over halfway on the gauge. That looks good. Fuel gauge and tachometer working well. Nice red interior. Kind of that 70s vibe going. We got red and brown together. Really some throwback colors of wood grain around the shifter, of course. Nice running Corvette. Feels good on the road. Brakes are responsive and smooth, no pulling to either side, no pulsation or anything like that. And I always want to say corners like a Corvette because it corners flat the way they should and the way they usually do. Kickdown working well on the automatic transmission, and again, acceleration is good. Find all the pictures of this Corvette at uniqueclassiccars.com.